Hi, I'm Melissa. So nice to meet you. I'm glad you're here. I would love to talk to you today about money. Are you the kind of person whose eyes kind of glaze over the minute I say the word finance? Finance. Wake up. It's kind of embarrassing for you. No worries. You're in the right place. I know from personal experience that money can be scary and confusing and annoying and boring and withholding and mean. Like, money can be mean. Let's be real. Money can be mean. What did I ever do to you, money? Money can be all of those nasty things, but it doesn't have to be. It can be amazing. It can be a tool that you use to take control of your life and build a bright future that you love. If you're watching this video, I know you can do it. I know you can. Because if I can do it, you can do it. I promise. So join me. Let's do this together. Let me help you earn more, keep more of what you earn, and build that financial future that you've been dreaming of. It's possible, and I know you can do it. All you have to do is hit subscribe below and join me in the Damsel revolution. No more damsels in distress for us anymore. No way. That's not what we do here. Also dancing. Sometimes there might be dancing, if you can call it that, which legally I've been told I can't.